What's up guys, Philip Bridges here again, and today I just want to share with you my deal of the day. This is the Milwaukee M18 FUEL 2-tool combo kit 2997-22. This retails for about $400. I got it for about $300 at a Home Depot. I'm telling you guys, the deals are out there. You just got to really look for them. And I just was really excited. I wanted to share this with you because this is insane for what you get for 200 bucks. And if you can find the same deal, run with it and do it. So with this kit, let's open it up. This is a hammer drill kit with the drill. This drill is a hammer drill and just your normal regular size drill. I have my older drill. Let's put a battery on it for a comparison. Now if we look at them, there's a difference in size, a huge difference in size. Now these are both brushless, and this whole kit is brushless. Just the weight alone, this one's probably about a ½ pound heavier than the new brushless drill, hammer drill. This one, you know, it has a little light on it, and of course, I always take these clips off because I don't use them that much. I think I have a drawer full of them. I keep them on my little stuff. I like the new chucks on them. These chucks are always getting caught, but the newer ones are really nice. So with this kit, you get 2 batteries, not 1, but 2. Did I mention they're 5.0s too? That's right, 5.0s, 2 5.0s, 2 drills for $300. That is insane. I know right now that if you look it up online, it's gonna say like $400, but you gotta look around. I'm just saying shop. And you can find them. The deals are out there. I don't even know if you're gonna find them online. You're probably just gonna find them at an in-store only. But nonetheless, if you can find them, that's awesome. Make a comment down below if you found them, or if you want to get one, comment down below. We got the drill. Now we got an impact. This impact is like almost half of its size that my old impact is, that I have right here. This is one of my very first Milwaukee impacts. I've had this one for pretty much since the M18 Redline came out, and I use this one all the time. This one's pretty much retired out of my set for work. This one is my stay-at-home set for the farm, which I have another one somewhere around, I think in the barn too, that I have. It's pretty much the exact identical one. Just the size comparison, it's just ridiculously small. That's what she said. But anyways, you still have the same power as your original M18. So the original one has 3,200 RPMs. Now with this one, we're at 3,600 RPMs with the smaller compact one. So that's really cool. And I noticed that this has, you can do speed adjustments too. So you can really get it going. You can get it going slow. So this is a kind of a different feature. Not only does it have 3 different settings for the RPMs, it also seems to have another setting to where it starts off slow and then it increases to a higher RPM. So if you can look at, well, hold on, I'll just hold the trigger. Oh, actually, it goes fast and then slows down. That is for self-tapper screws. you don't bust off your self-tappers when you go to start them. It'll help you get your pilot full, and then it'll slow it down to a lower RPM so you can, you know, finish off and sink in that self-tapper. It's really nice for the heating, guys. That's cool, because I know I used to, whenever I use a self-tapper, you kind of overdo it, and you kind of, sometimes you can break them off, especially when you're going into thicker metal. Okay, so that's pretty much what you're gonna get with this. You also get a charger. You get your charger, your normal rapid charger, and it'll also do M12s too. All fits in a nice little case that also comes with it, like I showed you before. But that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share with you these two drills that I got a really nice deal on. Put a link in the description below where you can find these. I'm not sure if that's going to be the right price that I got, but you know, if you're looking for a new drill and a new impact, this is a really good deal. Even at $400, this is a really good deal, because if you go and buy a 5.0 battery right now, they're 99 bucks all day long. So 2 for $99, that's 200 bucks. And then if you buy these separately, you're going to spend well over $200. So that's already your over your $400 mark that you're going to spend on this package. So even at $400, this is still a good deal. If you like this video, if it brought any value to you, hit the like button down below. Comment also down below. I'm Philip Bridges. Hey, let me know if you like these just like little quick videos on kind of like an unboxing of, you know, savings videos of where you can, you know, find good deals and stuff online or even at the store. So just let me know if you like these videos just like this. It's not really a review. It's just kind of going over what you can get if you're in the right place at the right time. So once again, Philip Bridges, and I will see you later.